Okay.
Okay, I got it. Clip. Are you doing it now?
Okay,
I look like an idiot.
You can sit down. Eric Burden lives again.
There is a house
In New
they call the rising sun, and it's been the home of many.
Hey Jerry, sing it.
I know I want. My father was a tailor. He sold my new blue jeans. My mother was help me out down in New Orleans.
Right.
There's a suitcase and a trunk, and the only
stop the video.
time that he's satisfied is when he's all in trunks.
This is good stuff. This is great stuff, Ryan. Come on. Yeah.
I'm gonna lose it.
Okay. That's a wrap. Wrap it up. Big fan.